Thanks for watching Vegas Winner 55. Today we're going to do a $55 challenge on Lightning Link Happy Lanterns. $55 challenge is a bonus or bust. We're going to play some dime, denom, see how we do. Come on now. So bonus or bust, if we sometimes bust out, sometimes bonus. Let's see how we do. Come on now, we need to get, hold and spin bonus is 6 or more of the lanterns. And see that furry face in the middle? That's the call it the dragon bonus. So got 2 that time. Come on now. There's 2. We need 6. All right. $5 a spin. See how we do. Some cats. Cracker fire. No, what are those red envelopes? All right. Come on now. Let's do it. 1, 2. We're getting down there. Got to do it quickly if we're going to do it. 55 doesn't go real far. Come on now. 1, 2. Oh, there we go. Yes. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at that. Dimes. That's a $250 ball. $100 ball, $100 ball, $100 ball. Wow. Wow. We might be close to a Handpay on this one. There we go. $25. What is that? Alright. Let's try to save it here. There we go. Nice. 50 more bucks. That's great. Another 75. Oh, this is huge. Let's keep it going. Alright, last spin. Oh, well, that was amazing. That might have been my best holding spin ever. Well, it's on dime denoms. Wow. See, let's count that out. It was high. It might be Handpay. There you go. Yeah, there it is. All right. 12.25. That will work. Wow. Thank you, Happy Lanterns. That's awesome. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cash out at 12.25, and I want to say thanks for watching Vegas Winner 55.